Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to do a very interesting project in VLSI. It will use both Python and SystemVerilog. So we will be making a image processing pipeline that will use Python and SystemVerilog. We will go step by step from reading the image to running it through our simulation in Xilinx Vivado and finally viewing the processed output. So in step 1 we will use the Python code. So what we will do is we will start in Python inside a Jupyter Notebook. So we will load the input image, then extract the pixel values into a hexadecimal format. So each pixel will be in hexadecimal format. Why hexadecimal? Because it is compact and matches how we represent the data in digital design. Finally, we will store these hex values in a .dat file. So this file will serve as the input to the SystemVerilog test bench. That will be the step 2. So in step 2 we will do simulation in Vivado. So we will switch to Vivado. So here we will write a SystemVerilog test bench that will read the .dat file and load the pixel data into the simulation memory. Inside the test bench, we will apply the image processing algorithm using HDL code. So for example, we can implement brightness controls, filtering or edge detection. Once the processing is done, the test bench writes the modified pixel values into the output file. So that output file will again be going to be read using Python code. So that is the final step, that is the step 3. So the step 3 is called post processing in Python. So the final step is to view the result. We will go back to Python. In Jupyter Notebook, we will read the output file that is generated by Vivado. We will convert those hex values back to the pixel values and reconstruct the image and view the processed image. So you will be able to see the effect of algorithm that we implemented in hardware using SystemVerilog. So let us jump into the Python code to read the image. So now we are inside the Jupyter Notebook and this is the Python code to read the image and convert it to a grayscale. So PIL stands for Python Imaging Library. So this is the image that we are using. So we will find out the image dimensions in terms of rows and columns. So that is 340 cross 340. This is the image dimensions. Then we will save the pixel values to a .dat file in which each pixel value will be in a hexadecimal format or 2-digit hexadecimal value. So when we run this code, then we will get the output as a .dat file. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel if you want to see more such videos on Xilinx Vivado, and I also make videos on Cadence Virtuoso where I simulate various circuits for mixed signal and digital design also. So this is the code. Now we will run this code. So when we run this code, then we will get a file .dat file. So we have to copy and paste that file into the Xilinx Vivado folder, because we have to read this .dat file in the Xilinx Vivado using SystemVerilog. So now I will jump into the Xilinx Vivado software. So this is the Xilinx Vivado interface and this is the SystemVerilog code that we have written. So we will give the rows and columns, the number of rows and columns as the parameter to the image. Then we will use the open command to open the image file, and if it could not load the image, then it will also display the error. Then we will read the image data from the .dat file that we have pasted earlier. So it will scan the image file and read each pixels, and if it fails to read the pixel, then also it will display some error. So at each step we have built in the check. So in the next step we will convert each pixel into a bitwise inversion. So we are inverting each pixels. Then finally we will write the processed image data to another output file. The output of this Vivado code or the SystemVerilog code will be another .dat file that will contain the processed image. So we have found out the negative of the image. The values of the pixels of that negative image will be stored in this processed_image.dat file. So now we will open that file using Jupyter Notebook. So again we have jumped into the Jupyter Notebook and now we are trying to read the processed image file. So now we are using this code to again convert each hexadecimal string to an integer pixel value. And finally we will display the image using Matplotlib. So if the number of the pixels in the file does not match the dimensions, the rows and columns that we have provided, then also it will give the error. So this is the processed image. So in this way we can make a image processing pipeline with the help of Xilinx Vivado and Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.